Greetings students, this is Anjana Puri. Today we are going to find out units or ones digit. Now normally we are taught exponents in this form like 2 raised to power 2, that becomes 2 into 2, 2 times 4, right? 2 raised to power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2, how many times? 5 times, that will become 32. 11 raised to 121, like this way only. 35 raised to power 2 is 1225. But what about this number? So surprised. Yes, this happens exactly with the candidates also when they see this number and they just recall that we are never taught how to find this number's power. But remember, here the question was only to find one's place and I have got the answer 3. Surprised? You will also learn within 1 second or within a fraction of time you will learn how to find the ones place. Like here, first question is 23,450 raised to power 34,569. When persons say this, he thinks, oh, I have never learned these things, so it's better to leave the question. But no, you will not leave. Why? Because I know very well that 0, one's place is asked, and 0, if I will multiply 0 by 0, 100 times, 1000 times, whatever time, what I am going to get? 0 only. So without thinking, without looking at the power, instantly I will write 0, right? Similar is the case with this also. Here I will just look at one's digit. It is 1 only, and I know very well that 1 into 1 last digit, I will always going to get 1 only. So directly I will write my answer as 1. How easy it is. Now look at this. Here also last digit is 5. So I have to multiply this number how many times? 95,648. But remember, last digit is 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. Last digit is 5 only. Again if I will multiply, it will become 125. Again last digit is 5 only. So for this also 5. Similarly 6. 6 into 6, always last digit will be 6. So what I understood that whenever there is last digit 0, 1, 5 or 6, for these 4 digits, I will not give a second thought for the power. Whatever is the power, my answer will remain the same only. Now next comes turn of this number. It's also quite large number, but look at last digit, it is 4, right? And this much is the power. What I have written my answer? 4 only. But what is this? Next again 4 and I have written the answer 6. It means I cannot follow the same rule, right? So let us understand this. Suppose 4 raised to power 1, what will come? 4. 4 raised to power 4 means 4 into 4, 2 times, you will get 16. 4 raised to power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times, what you will get? 64. 4 raised to power 4, again 4 into 4 into 4, what you are going to get? 256. So you can see the pattern here. If power is 1, I am getting 4. If power is 2, I am getting 6. Power is 3, 4. Power is 4, 6. It means whenever my power is odd number, I am getting 4. And whenever my power is even number, I am getting 6. So I have to remember only one rule. Now what I will do? Whenever my power is odd, I will get the same answer 4. and if my power is even number, then I will get 6 as my answer. Means whenever I see that there is 4 at last number, I will just check power is odd or even. If the power is odd, I will get the same number, and if my power is even, I will get 6. Clear? Now move to next one. 9. Here last digit is 9 and this is the power. What do I have got here? 9. And look at the second one. Same. Here last digit is 9 and this is the power. I have got 1. So here there is only the difference in power, right? It is also same case. 9 raised to power 1. What will come? 9. 9 raised to power 2. 81, but I am not concerned with 81. I am concerned with only 1. 9 raised to power 3. What will come? 729 and so on. So similar will be the case. If power is odd, 9. Even 1. Odd, 9. Even again 1. Like this. So it's easy to find. I don't need to think much. So next time whenever you see a large number with a large power, don't worry. The answer is very easy to find out. So here there are notes. It is same what we discussed above, that whenever there is 0, 1, 5 or 6 at the ones place in base, no need to check power except 0. Why except 0? Because whenever 0 is the power of any number, my answer is always 1. That's why. The answer will be the last digit of the base number only. And second, whenever there is 4 or 9 at one's place in base number I am talking about, we need to check only if power is odd or even number. In case of 4, if the power is odd, I will get 4. If the power is even, I will get 6. In case of 9, if the power is odd, I will get 9. If the power is even, I will get 1. I hope you like this. And for your practice, there is one practice worksheet also. So the homework is that revise the sums which we have discussed as well as do the practice sums in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.